Before we dive in, one thing is clear. Not all SUVs are built to survive. Some vehicles might look perfect in commercials, dominate Instagram and top sales charts. But past 100,000 miles, many quietly start falling apart. We reached out to multiple mechanics, fleet managers, and analyzed Consumer Reports' long-term reliability data. Here are 5 SUVs that consistently underperform in real-world longevity, the ones mechanics rarely recommend for long-term ownership. Number 5. Jeep Grand Cherokee. Luxury looks, high maintenance nightmare. The Jeep Grand Cherokee is flashy, fun to drive, and loaded with tech until the warranty expires. Why it struggles past 100,000 miles. Air suspension failures. Shocks and compressors often fail by 80 to 100,000 miles. Electrical gremlins, infotainment, sensors, and warning lights go haywire. Transmission woes. ZF 8-speed is smooth new, but prone to solenoid and valve body problems over time. Mechanics say, the Grand Cherokee is exciting at first, but it becomes a constant headache. Ownership reality. Repairs are expensive. Parts availability is okay, but labor-intensive resale drops fast. The trade-off, looks, luxury, short-term thrill. Longevity is sacrificed. Number 4. BMW X5 German engineering. Until it ages, BMW X5 looks stunning, handles like a sports car, and feels premium, but age is unforgiving. Common long-term problems. Turbocharged engines develop carbon buildup and timing chain issues after 80 to 90,000 miles. Electronics. iDrive system, sensors, and adaptive cruise components fail repeatedly. Air suspension. A recurring weak point. Shock and compressor replacement costs thousands. Mechanics call it a ticking time bomb for owners who plan to keep it long-term. Consumer Reports data. Reliability drops sharply after warranty period. The honest trade-off, performance and luxury now, maintenance stress later. Mechanics say, the Grand Cherokee is exciting at first, but it becomes a constant headache. Ownership reality, repairs are expensive parts. Availability is okay, but labor-intensive resale drops fast. The trade-off, looks, luxury, short-term thrill. Longevity is sacrificed. Number 3. Land Rover Discovery. Adventure SUV. With fragile heart, Land Rover promises off-road supremacy. It delivers for the first 50,000 miles. Long-term pitfalls. Air suspension failures are extremely common, one of the most expensive repairs in SUVs. Engine turbos and supercharged variants prone to oil leaks and overheating. Electrical issues everywhere. Windows, lights, sensors, infotainment. Mechanics say, every Discovery over 100,000 miles has at least one major expensive repair pending. Ownership reality. Reliability is below average, maintenance costs skyrocket after warranty. A dream SUV for short-term use, but nightmare long-term. Number 2. Chevrolet Traverse Family. SUV that struggles with mileage. The Chevrolet Traverse is spacious and affordable, perfect for families. But longevity is a concern. Key issues past 100,000 miles. 3.6-liter V6 engines prone to intake valve issues, oil consumption, and timing chain stretch. CVT and 9-speed transmissions have premature failures in early models. Electrical systems, infotainment and sensors often fail in later years. Mechanics. It's a great family vehicle, but plan for heavy maintenance after 120,000 miles. Trade-off. Space and comfort over durability. Perfect for 5 to 8-year ownership, not 150,000 miles. Number 1. Ford Explorer popular, but problems pile up quickly. The Ford Explorer is America's favorite SUV, and that's part of the problem. High sales mean high variability in quality, and early reliability issues plague many owners. Why it fails long-term. EcoBoost engines, 2.3 liters, 3.0 liters, prone to carbon buildup, timing chain wear, and turbo failures by 100 to 120,000 miles. Electrical gremlins, sensors, infotainment, climate systems fail frequently. Suspension and steering components wear unevenly due to design compromises. Mechanics call it surprisingly costly and labor-intensive to maintain beyond 100,000 miles. Consumer Reports data. Reliability dips sharply after 80 to 100,000 miles, especially in turbo variants. The trade-off. Popularity and brand recognition now, major repair bills later. Final takeaway. All 5 of these SUVs share a pattern. Turbocharged or over-engineered components leads to high stress, early failures. Excessive electronics leads to gremlins that compound over time. Complex suspensions leads to costly air or adaptive shocks. Luxury or tech-first design leads to ignores long-term durability. Mechanics know if you plan to keep a vehicle past 150,000 miles, these are SUVs to avoid entirely. They look good on the driveway, but by 120 to 150,000 miles, they become a repair nightmare. So here's the question for you. Are you buying an SUV for looks and features now, or for survival 10 years down the road? Drop your honest answer in the comments. I read every single one.